Hello and welcome to Davis Chevrolet. This is a brand new 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali in black. Some of the features included in this luxury truck: seat memory, electric adjustable and retractable side mirrors, towing, 4x4 automatic headlights with fog lights and cargo lights, automatic high beams, cruise control, heated steering wheel, Bluetooth ready, phone and media, hands-free steering wheel controls, remote start, push button ignition, AM, FM, and Sirius XM radio, OnStar, navigation, dual zone climate, AC, heated and cooled front seats, lift assist tailgate, wireless charging, leather interior, power sliding sunroof, power sliding rear window, and enough space to comfortably seat 5. So don't miss out on your brand new, very capable luxury truck. Hurry in to Davis Chevrolet and book your test drive today.